You've been told that death is a moment. A heartbeat stops, a flatline, a switch. It's not. Death is a biological sequence, a cascade that unfolds over hours and days. And it begins the second the heart stops. Here's exactly what happens. The heart stops. Blood ceases to circulate immediately. Cells throughout the body begin losing oxygen. Without oxygen, mitochondria, the power source inside every cell, stop producing ATP, the molecule that fuels every biological process in the human body. The brain uses 20% of the body's oxygen. It runs out first. Within 4 to 6 minutes of cardiac arrest, neurons begin dying, but before they die, they fire. Simultaneously, an uncontrolled electrical cascade surges across the brain. Some researchers believe this may explain near-death experiences. In its last moments, the brain is anything but quiet. Then, the visible changes begin. Within 15 to 25 minutes, the skin loses its color without circulating blood pressing against vessel walls. Capillaries empty. The skin turns pale. This is called pallor mortis. The body begins to cool. Without the metabolic processes that generate heat, core temperature drops approximately 1 degree Celsius per hour until it matches the surrounding environment. Forensic scientists use this, called algor mortis, to estimate time of death. 1 to 2 hours after death, gravity takes over. Blood pools toward whatever part of the body lies lowest. The skin in those areas deepens to a dark purple red. This is called livor mortis. After 6 to 12 hours, it becomes permanent, a fixed record of how the body was positioned. At death, 2 to 6 hours after death, the muscles lock. Without ATP, the proteins controlling muscle relaxation fail. Muscles stiffen, beginning at the face and jaw, spreading downward through the entire body. Rigor mortis peaks at around 12 hours. Then, as muscle tissue breaks down, the stiffness releases, typically between 48 and 72 hours after death. And then, the body begins to consume itself. Every cell contains enzymes, chemicals designed to break down damaged tissue after death, with no signals telling them to stop. Those enzymes turn inward, cell membranes rupture, fluid leaks, tissues soften from the inside out. This is called autolysis. Simultaneously, the bacteria that lived inside you your entire life to begin their final work. The gut microbiome, hundreds of trillions of organisms, migrates through the intestinal wall into surrounding tissue. They consume, they produce gases, the body bloats. Putrefaction, the complete breakdown of soft tissue, begins. Death isn't a switch, it's a handover from the biology that kept you alive to the biology that recycles everything you were.